The arrest of 5 rights activists had nothing to do with their dissenting opinion or difference in their political or other ideologies, but was because of serious criminal offences and incriminating material. That's what the Maharashtra police has told the Supreme Court through an affidavit. A week ago, the Supreme Court had ordered house arrest of the activists till tomorrow instead of police custody, and had stressed that dissent is the safety valve of democracy. What is it that they've actually said, the Maharashtra government, through the police, through the Maharashtra government's affidavit? What have they said to the Supreme Court? What is the evidence that they claim to have? Let's go across to Shruti for that. Shruti, how is this different from that press conference that you covered in Pune, which the Supreme Court went ahead and said, why did you even have that press conference? Because in a sense, the matter was sub judice and the Supreme Court was hearing the matter.
Well, Amitoj, I'd like to point out that this affidavit that the Maharashtra police has filed in the Supreme Court today is a counter affidavit to an affidavit filed by 5 individuals against the arrest of the 5 activists on August 28th. Ramila Thapar, Devki Jain, Satish Deshpande, Prabhat Patnaik and Maja Daruwala had filed an affidavit against the arrest of these 5 individuals, stating that these 5 individuals were eminent human rights activists and that they have been arrested for having dissenting views and a different ideology. They also argued that there was no concrete evidence against the 5 individuals that the police made these arrests. Now, in their counter affidavit filed in the Supreme Court today, the Maharashtra police has claimed that the 5 individuals who have filed the affidavit in the Supreme Court are completely unconnected to the case, and have also stated that they have incriminating evidence against the 5 who have been arrested. They have said that the arrests have not been based on their dissenting views or their different ideologies that they have, but incriminating evidence. They have said that they have evidence that these 5 arrested, in fact 5 others who were arrested back in June. So there are 10 people in total who have been incriminated in this case, and the police says that they have evidence against 10 people that they are active members of CPI Maoists. This has been mentioned in their counter affidavit 4 times, that they are active members of CPI Maoist outfit. They have also mentioned the kind of evidence that they have against them. They have said that they have letters and emails that they have recovered from the laptops and pen drives and hard drives and other devices that they have seized from these 10 individuals who've been arrested. And they say that a mirror image created by the forensic lab got them these letters and these emails that were exchanged between these 10 individuals and others. What they have said is that these 10 individuals have been selecting and encouraging cadres to go to underground areas, and I say quote unquote to a struggle area. That they have been mobilizing and distributing money for a larger violence, to conducting larger violence. They have said that they have been facilitating selection and purchase of arms, and also deciding routes so that they could come into India. They have been deciding rates of arms, and they have been providing input for an armed rebellion. These are the pointers that the Maharashtra police says, the evidence that they have against the 10 arrests, that 5, especially the 5 arrests that were made on 28th of August. Another thing that I would like to point out here is that the counter affidavit also states that Elgar Parishad, the event that was conducted on the 31st of December was a front event conducted by active members of CPI Maoist. Now, this is something that NDTV had pointed out yesterday. NDTV had accessed visuals of the speeches made and the oath taken on the day of the Elgar Parishad, and we could clearly see that the oath taken by the gathering in the Elgar Parishad spoke about how they wanted to uphold constitution, how they wanted to save democracy, and they wanted to oppose those and not vote for those who were opponents of the constitution and the democracy.